we're experiencing a deep sense of disconnectedness with each other. Spiritually and emotionally, I come to this from the aspect of being a healer, and I see people experiencing extraordinary pain. And that pain comes from the anger or the fear or the sadness that is being held within. So, in the work that reconnects, we talk about a spiral, and the spiral begins with gratitude. We come out of this spiral with a feeling of energy and ability in and understanding what we have within us that is our calling to go forth. And that's very individual. If you influence one part of the system, all the parts will change. We see our society, our world unraveling in front of our eyes. And the great turning is a subtle awareness that we share in the airwaves that there's something different happening, that there is something different that must happen to develop a life-sustaining society. And so in the Work That Reconnects workshop, we use all forms of expression to delve into our deeper intuitive selves and to perhaps understand what is this tremendous roiling and turmoil that we are experiencing in this time. And how can we move beyond it? How can we live with hope? I'm hoping there will be people who will be young and people who will be old and everybody in between who will all come together to share and explore really their own inner world of experiencing how we experience our web of interconnectedness.